Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issues on Android. If you want to solve this problem, you can follow the step. Step 1. Open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on connection and sharing. Scroll down. Again tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth. Then tap on reset setting. You can reset your Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth connection. Tap on reset. Go back. Step 2. Again open your phone setting. Scroll down. Tap on additional setting. Scroll down. Tap on developer option. Tap on developer option. Scroll down. You can show Wi-Fi scan throttling. Turn on Wi-Fi scan throttling option. Go back. Step 3. Restart your device. Step 4. Again open your phone setting. Tap on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi connection. Enter your Wi-Fi password. Enter your correct Wi-Fi password. Then tap on connect. You can follow all of the steps to fix Wi-Fi name not showing issues on Android. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.